Biography of Birju Maharaj Pandit. Birju Maharaj 1938 to 2022 was one of the greatest exponents of Kathak, the classical dance form of North India. He was a legendary dancer, choreographer, singer and teacher who popularized Kathak across the world. Early life Birju Maharaj was born on February 4, 1938 in Lucknow, into the famous Kalka Bindadin Gharana of Kathak dancers. His real name was Brijmohan Mishra. He came from a family of dancers. Father, Achan Maharaj, uncles, Shambhu Maharaj and Lakhu Maharaj. His father died when he was very young, and he was trained by his uncles in Kathak. Career and contribution. Birju Maharaj became a professional dancer at a very young age and started teaching at Sangeet Natak Academy and later at Kathak Kendra, where he trained many famous dancers. His contributions to Kathak include developing Abhinaya, expression in Kathak, introducing new themes and stories combining rhythm, footwork and storytelling, popularizing Kathak internationally, choreographing dance for films. He also worked in Indian cinema and choreographed for films like Shatranj Ke Khilari, directed by Satyajit Ray, Devdas Bajirao Mastani Awards and Honours. He received many prestigious awards: Padma Vibhushan 1986, Sangeet Natak Academy Award, Kalidas Saman. These awards recognized his immense contribution to Indian classical dance. Death. Birju Maharaj passed away on January 17, 2022 in New Delhi at the age of 83. Importance. Birju Maharaj is considered the greatest Kathak dancer of modern India, a global ambassador of Kathak, a guru who trained generations of dancers, a master of rhythm, expression and storytelling. He transformed Kathak from a traditional court dance into a major global classical dance form. Relevance of Birju Maharaj in the digital era. The relevance of Birju Maharaj in the digital era is significant because his art, pedagogy, choreography and philosophy of Kathak have been preserved, circulated and reinterpreted through digital media platforms such as YouTube, online dance academies, digital archives and social media. Although he belonged to a traditional Guru-Shishya Parampara, his legacy has found new life in the digital world. 1. Digital preservation of Kathak. One of the biggest contributions of the digital era is the archiving of Birju Maharaj's performances. Earlier, Kathak knowledge was transmitted orally and physically through performance and teaching, but now his performances are available on YouTube. His lectures and workshops are digitally archived. His compositions, Tukra Tihai Paran Tumri Abhinaya, are recorded. Students across the world can study his style. Thus, the digital era has transformed his art from ephemeral performance to permanent digital archive. Relevance. Preservation of intangible cultural heritage. 2. Online Kathak pedagogy. During the digital era, especially after COVID-19, Kathak training moved online. Many of Birju Maharaj's disciples now teach through Zoom classes, YouTube tutorials, online Kathak academies, digital workshops and master classes. His institution, Kalashram, continues teaching through digital platforms, making Kathak accessible globally. Relevance. Democratization of classical dance education. 3. Social media and global visibility platforms like YouTube, Instagram, online festivals. Digital performances have made Birju Maharaj's choreography and compositions globally visible. Young dancers recreate his compositions and upload performances online, which creates digital circulation of the Lucknow Gharana style. This creates digital remembrance, tribute performances, online Kathak communities, global Kathak networks. Relevance. Transformation from local guru to global digital icon. 4. Digital choreography and film media. Birju Maharaj also contributed to film choreography, and in the digital era, these works circulate widely online, especially songs from films like Devdas Bajirao Mastani. These performances are now studied by dancers through digital media, making his choreography part of digital dance culture. Relevance. Fusion of classical dance and digital cinema culture. 5. Digital heritage and cultural memory. In the digital era, Birju Maharaj is not only a dancer, but also a digital cultural memory. His interviews, performances and teachings exist as digital archives, online documentaries, recorded workshops, digital museum collections, online Kathak notation videos. This means his legacy is no longer limited to physical students but exists in digital cultural heritage. 6. Conceptual relevance, important for academic writing. You can write this point in exams or research. Birju Maharaj in digital era represents digital preservation of intangible heritage, online Guru Shishya Parampara, globalization of Kathak through media, digital performance circulation, archive-based learning cultural memory in digital media, transformation from performer to digital icon. Conclusion: the relevance of Birju Maharaj in the digital era lies in the transformation of his art from traditional performance culture to digital cultural heritage. Through digital archives, online pedagogy, social media circulation, and film media, his Kathak style continues to influence new generations of dancers globally. The digital era has ensured that his art is no longer limited by geography, time, or physical presence, making him not only a classical guru but also a digital cultural icon of Indian classical dance.